People talk a lot about data and data strategy, but what should be in your data strategy? Start with an introduction. It should set out what your organizational beliefs and values are about data. For example, that you view it as an asset that can improve efficiency or customer outcomes. You should share the leadership perspective and their vision, highlight the current and target levels of maturity, ideally using a standardized assessment and improvement management tool like our own DMMA, and provide any other contextual information, for example, significant challenges that you face as a result of data. Next, you should make the business case for a strategic approach to data. This should include alignment with the organization's strategy and objectives, financial drivers, benefits to customers, and any impact on risk management. Central to the data strategy is the vision. This sets out what the future would look like once the strategy is fully embedded. This can be established using a combination of guided interviews with leaders and workshops, and can be presented using a combination of stakeholder perspectives, for example, departmental views or customer views, and vignettes that tell an imaginary story from the future. These help ground the vision in a real-world context and make it more understandable and relatable. The vision should be accompanied by data principles. These set out guidelines and guardrails for the delivery of the vision and help keep everyone on the same page. They should be referenceable and support decision making. For example, data is discoverable and accessible is a principle that might foster knowledge sharing and collaboration. The delivery of the strategy can be expressed using a number of pillars. In our experience, it is useful to consider the fundamentals, data governance, quality, and architecture, as one pillar, as this comprises the matters of policy and practice and extends organization-wide. A second pillar should be about people and data culture, and this is where all staff education and communication can be considered. In addition to these pillars, it's usually necessary to review the way specialist data services like analytics, artificial intelligence, systems integration, and quality control are being delivered. This may need to be rethought, and the organizational design intent required can be expressed in the data strategy. Finally, lay out your roadmap. We like a 3-phase roadmap for data: this year, next year, and then everything after that. And we usually organize our roadmaps to show key actions in each phase grouped into work streams, and the work streams themselves typically align with the delivery pillars. But this will depend on your organizational design and the way in which you've decided to execute the strategy. Follow this guidance and you should have a solid structure for your data strategy. Of course, if you want some expert help, get in touch. This is what we do here at Datatlan.